Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. On Monday morning, Lena woke up early because she had a dentist appointment at 9:30. She lived in a small apartment in Brighton, and the dentist was in the city center. Lena did not like the dentist, but she wanted healthy teeth, so she tried to stay calm. She ate a small breakfast and checked the time 2 times. Before she left, Lena put her phone, her wallet, and her appointment card in her bag. She also took a bottle of water because the day was warm. She looked in the mirror and smiled, but her smile looked nervous. "It is only a checkup," she said to herself. Then she locked the door and walked to the bus stop. At the bus stop, a bus arrived, but it was the wrong number. Lena waited for her bus and watched a road. After 10 minutes, her bus finally came. She got on, paid, and sat near the window. The bus was busy, but it moved fast, so Lena started to feel better. After 20 minutes, Lena got off near the city center. She looked at the street signs and then at her phone. The map showed a short walk, so she started walking. She passed a bakery, a bank, and a small park. She felt proud because she was on time. But then her phone screen went dark. The battery was dead. Lena stopped and tried to turn it on again, but nothing happened. She felt a cold worry in her stomach because she did not know the area well. She looked around, but the streets looked similar. She walked a little more, and then she saw 2 streets with the same name on different signs. "How is that possible?" she whispered. Lena tried to remember the dentist's address, but she only remembered the street name, not the number. She felt embarrassed and a little angry with herself because she did not charge her phone. She saw a cafe, so she went inside. A woman behind the counter smiled and asked, "Can I help you?" "Yes, please," Lena said. "My phone is dead, and I need to find a dentist office. It is on West Hill Street, but I don't know the number." The woman nodded. "There are 2 West Hill Streets," she said. "One is near the station and one is near the river." She pointed to a small wall map. "Do you know the dentist's name?" Lena opened her bag and found her appointment card. "Bright Smile Dental," she read. The woman typed on her computer and then said, "It is near the river. You are walking the wrong way, but you can still make it if you go now." Lena felt hope again. "Thank you so much," she said. She hurried outside and followed the directions. She walked faster, but she did not run, because she did not want to arrive tired. After 8 minutes, she saw a sign, "Bright Smile Dental." She checked the time. It was 9:27. Inside, the receptionist asked, "Are you Lena Hart?" "Yes," Lena said, breathing slowly. The receptionist smiled. "You are here. That's what matters." When Lena sat in the waiting room, she still felt nervous about the dentist, but she also felt proud. She learned a simple lesson that day: charge your phone, and always keep the address card. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.